Ujjwal, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आप दो डिवाइसेस से ज्वाइन हो रहे हो?
No, ma'am.
पक्का? आपका एक और नाम कोई आ रहा है, देखो।
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा सृष्टि। Okay, all ready for the revision? Mixed revision?
Yes, ma'am.
So today I'll be taking revision of history or civics.
Ma'am, history only.
Ma'am,
History only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday
we did not do.
Yesterday we did only that.
The doubt class it was.
Yes, doubt classes we could have.
Ma'am, before you could explain the annihilation, ma'am, the class ended.
I think what exactly I was telling you that time.
Doubts of chapter 3.
No, but I think something I was telling you yesterday. Vishesh, are you there in the class? What
Ma'am,
exactly?
yesterday you were telling about ghettoization.
Huh?
Ma'am, ghettoization.
Yes, ma'am.
We were discussing something. Right.
Yes, ma'am, I asked you a doubt about annihilation, so you started steps of that.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes.
So, quickly your attendance and we start with the class. Today is 13th of January, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Attendance for 9th A. Anya Gupta? She's not there. Abhay Singh, Abhinav Pandey, Abhishek.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Srivastav. Agrim Vashisht, Ajit, Akash. Aksada is there.
Present, ma'am.
Akshat Sharma. Then Annamta, Angad, Aryan Maurya, Aryan Singh, Aryant Bajpai, Ayush Sengar, Bhumika Patel, Chirag Gangwar, Deep Shikha, Devansh, Harsh Vardhan, Himanshu, are you there?
Present. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Then Kanika. Is Kanika there? Kavya Agarwal, Kavyansh, Khushbu, Laksh, Mahin, Manas is there. Yes. Nikhil Nehra, Haseem Kaif.
Present, ma'am. Nikhil.
Nikhil is present. Okay. Then Raghav Raj, Shekhar Shah, Vivan Patel, Yadbendra. Vivan is there? Fine. Fine. Coming to 9th B. Abhyuday is not there. Akansha Yadav is not there. Akshat Kumar is not there. Anand is not there. Ananya Singh, are you there, beta?
Present, ma'am.
Fine. Aradhe, Aryan Raj, Ashray Sethi, Ayush Singh, Bhumika Chandani, Dhananjay Kumar,
Present,
Harshvardhan,
ma'am.
हाँ जी, Harshit Kumar, Hayabi, Ishika, Kapil, Kuldeep, Kunal, Lavleesh. Lavleesh, are you there? No. Mehak, Manit, Faiz Khan, Numan, Shoaib. Shoaib, are you there? हाँ. शोएब है यहाँ पे?
यस मैम।
कल बेटा आप 5 मिनट पहले क्लास ज्वाइन करने आए थे, इसलिए हमने आपको मीटिंग में अंदर नहीं लिया, ठीक है?
यस मैम, इसमें पता था मैम।
हाँ, you need to come early to the class, no? Vibhanshu is there in the class?
यस मैम, प्रेजेंट।
Vishesh Agarwal?
Present, ma'am.
Shivanshi is there? No. Sanya? Sachin?
Present, ma'am.
Sachin? Ronit? Ramsha? Coming to C section. Aiza is there in the class?
Present, ma'am.
Akansha? No. Apurva? Daksh? Dhruv? Gargi?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Gaurav? Harsh Tomar? Jay Gupta? Jigyasa? Jujhar? Kartikeya Bhatt? Malay? Manish? Manthan? Mohit?
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Okay. Mohit Kumar? Naina? Naman? Niharika?
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Om?
Ma'am, Jigyasa present.
Yes, Jigyasa is present. Pranjal? Sorry. Pavni? Daksh Kumar is
Present, ma'am.
present. Okay, Daksh is there in the class? Yes. Pranjal? Puneet? Samarth? Is
Ma'am,
Puneet?
Puneet Kumar present.
Okay, Samarth? Okay. Zainab? Shaurya? Shreya? Okay. Shreya Gangwar? Zainab is present, yes. Shreya Gangwar? Srishti Gautam?
Present, ma'am.
Srishti Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Srishti Singh. Siddhant Yadav? Stuti? Swali? Tina? Viresh?
Present, ma'am.
Viresh and Yash. Yash, are you there, beta? No, he's not there. Fine. दक्ष ठीक है, रिकनेक्ट कर लो बेटा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर जल्दी आ जाओ। हाँ लाओ विभिन्न से क्या करें करवा लो shall we start class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हाँ
ma'am.
लाओ ठीक है
Yes, ma'am.
ओके ठीक है तो we'll start with history or civics you want
Ma'am, history.
Ma'am, history only.
history only
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
okay fine Nazism chapter because very less questions we have asked from that chapter okay
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा
ma'am, you said that you explained who were nomadic Aryan.
who were Nordic Aryans okay just a second
Before that, you were explaining ghettoization.
हाँ बेटा पहुंच गए हाँ बेटा पापा पहुंच गए बताओ नहीं मतलब अभी पहुंच गया है घर पर हाँ मतलब मेरे पास कॉल यार class can you hear me there is some sound problem I believe
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
फाइन 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 बेटा धनंजय ये एक्सप्लेनेशन वाला पार्ट हम लोग लास्ट के 10 मिनट्स के लिए रखें
Okay, ma'am.
है ना पहले क्वेश्चन आंसर थोड़े पूछ लेते फिर वो एक्सप्लेनेशन में इतना टाइम निकल जाता है कि वो पूछ ही नहीं पाते
Yes,
क्वेश्चन
ma'am.
ठीक है हाँ चलो स्टार्ट what is meant by proletarianization
Ma'am, may
what
I?
is meant by yes Naina
Ma'am,
The
it
fear
is.
of
हाँ
Ma'am,
Yes,
it
Naina?
is to become improvised to the level of working classes.
ठीक है what else Videsh any other definition
Ma'am, I was also saying that the fear of becoming
Ma'am,
ठीक
it
है
is also an anxiety to being reduced to the ranks of
to the
working
rank
class.
of the working
Working
class very
classes.
good हाँ very good who organized the free corps who organized the free corps
communists.
who were the free corps
Ma'am, the communists organized them.
हाँ for what and who were they
Ma'am, it was a kind of war veterans organization.
it was an organization which was formed by the war veterans they were called as
Free
they
corps.
were called as
Free
हाँ,
Free
corps.
corps.
Free corps.
very good who were mockingly called as November criminals
Ma'am, the Democrat,
Socialists,
Socialist, and the
Who
Catholic.
believed in
Catholics who
the
believe
Weimar Republic,
With
like
the Weimar
socialist.
हाँ very good the people who supported the Weimar Republic namely the socialist Catholics and Democrats were mockingly called as November criminals
November
right
criminals.
हाँ
November
very
criminals.
good very good now can you tell the Second World War was the most destructive war in history Can you tell why?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, the Second World War was very destructive in the history because during the Second World War, many people were killed, which in Germany, which included 6 million Jews, uh, 20, uh, 2 lakh gypsies, 1 million Polish civilians, 70,000 Germans, and who were tortured mentally and physically. Uh, they were um, and ma'am, the war also resulted in the mass murder of selected groups,
ठीक है. Very
which
good.
were innocent civilians.
हाँ. I think this question we discussed in the previous class also, no? 2 days back.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Day
ma'am.
before. Okay, fine. That's good. Uh, why Nazism became popular in Germany by 1930? Give reasons why Nazism became popular in Germany by
Ma'am, due to
1930.
economic crisis.
Because of the ठीक है, because of the economic crisis or the Great Economic Depression, we can say. What else?
Ma'am, Hitler said that he would undo
Ma'am, because the Weimar Republic was fragile.
Because the Weimar Republic law was fragile. Very good. What else? Isa was telling something. Isa, come again.
Ma'am, he
Ma'am,
promised to
said,
build a strong.
Ma'am, Hitler said that he would undo all the bad things happened by the Treaty of Versailles.
Very good. Very good. What else?
And restore the dignity of the German people. He also promised employment for those who look for work.
What else?
Ma'am, he also assured employment for the unemployed sector.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, he had devised a new style of politics.
He introduced new style of politics. Okay, fine. You can see there is a paragraph no where about the Nazi party they have written.
Yes,
That,
ma'am.
that also you can specify here.
Page number.
Page number exactly. I don't remember. I don't have the book with me right now.
Ma'am, 57.
Page 57. Where two pictures are there given related to Nazi this thing. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, he also promised to weed out all the foreign influences.
Very good. Now I'm reading out the answer to this question. Please listen carefully. The reasons why Nazism became popular in Germany by 1930 are as follows. First one, Germany lost the First World War and very harsh terms and conditions were imposed on it by the Allies through the Treaty of Versailles. This was one reason. Second, due to the Great Economic Depression of 1929, Germany faced various economic problems like unemployment, poverty, and rising prices. Third, Hitler was very good orator. He motivated the Germans and propagated and took various steps against the Jews who were hated by Hitler and most of the Germans as they considered them responsible for the defeat of Germany in the First World War. Then the fourth point is Nazism became popular because the government that was formed after the First World War could not solve the problems of Germans. Hitler blamed the democratic government for the plight of the masses, for the suffering of the masses. Hitler promised relief to the people on the economic front and won their confidence. If you go through the economic policies of the Hitler, we will find that many of the policies that were initiated by Hitler, it helped the country to overcome the crisis that the country was going through during the Great Depression, right?
Yes,
Huh.
ma'am.
Then next
Yes,
is
ma'am.
next point is the communists in Germany tried to stage a revolution on the pattern of the Russian Revolution. The Germans capitalists extended full support to Hitler's Nazi party as the party was against socialism. Then Hitler, because Hitler had a dynamic personality, he was influential, he was a great organizer, he was an excellent orator and a tireless worker. His logic was convincing and his appeal touched the emotions of the people, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. So all these points are the answer to this question, that why by 1930 Nazism became popular in Germany. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. Then in what ways did the Nazi state seek to establish control over its people? Shall I
Ma'am,
repeat?
can you
Ma'am,
please repeat?
Huh. In what ways did the Nazi state seek to establish total control over its people?
May I tell?
Yes, beta, Vivanshu, बताइए.
Ma'am, Nazis
And
held
if
massive rallies
hmm,
and public meetings to demonstrate the support for Hitler
very good,
and instill a sense of unity among the people.
very good. What else?
The red, ma'am, they
The
marched with the red banners with the swastik,
uh,
the Nazi salute, and the ritualized rounds of applause
hmm,
after the speeches were all part of this
hmm.
spectacle of power.
ठीक है, very good. Any other point could be added to it?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, through the Enabling Act of 1933, they established complete control over the economy, media, and army,
Hmm.
and they introduced many new forces which controlled the society in the way is wanted, such as the Gestapo, that is the secret state police, and the security service.
हाँ, very good. ये सारे points हम लिख सकते हैं, that how it seek to establish total control over its people. Very good. ठीक है, okay. Next question is, okay, I will be giving you some events. You have to tell me that which year that particular event took place, right?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए.
Ma'am.
Yes, so the first event is um, a revolution swept through Germany. Sorry. Germany was declared a republic. Class, in which year Germany was declared as a republic?
From 1918.
Yes, November 1918. Very good.
Ma'am, 1990.
Huh. November 9, 1918, when the Weimar Republic was formed, okay? In which year?
What's the difference between republic and democracy?
बेटा रिपब्लिक में एक हमारा जो है एक इलेक्टेड हेड होता है, ठीक है? और जितनी भी डेमोक्रेसीज है जरूरी नहीं है कि वो रिपब्लिक हो.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? Okay. In which year the Constituent Assembly met at Weimar to frame a constitution?
Ma'am, 1918.
Constitution 1919.
Okay.
ठीक है, it is 1919 बुक में लिखा हुआ है बेटा, ठीक है. In which year the Wall Street Exchange in the New York crashed? Class?
Ma'am, 1929.
Yes, it was October 1929.
From October 1929.
Yes, very good. When was Hitler born?
Ma'am, 1889.
हाँ, 1880.
Ma'am, 1889.
Ma'am,
Very
1889 in Austria.
Very good. In which year Nazi Party emerged as the second most powerful party of the parliament?
Ma'am, 1932.
1932. Very good, Jigyasa.
But in book it was written that by 1932, Nazi Party had become the largest party with 37%.
Party.
पार्लियामेंट में वो सेकंड मोस्ट पावरफुल थी ना. वो तो जब उन्होंने जब सारे के सारे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज उसको बैन कर दिया था, जब इनेबलिंग एक्ट जो इशू कर दिया था उसके बाद ही तो ये हुआ था. है ना? हेलो
So, ma'am,
क्लास. हाँ,
ma'am, the Enabling Act was done in 1933.
अच्छा हाँ 1933 में हुआ था. जहाँ पे हिटलर के बारे में दिया हुआ है, आई थिंक ऑन दैट पेज ओनली इट इज गिवन दैट हिज पार्टी बिकेम द सेकंड मोस्ट पावरफुल पार्टी ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट इन 1932. उसके इमीडिएटली बाद जो है दोबारा से कुछ हुआ था, तब जो है हिटलर ने अपनी पार्टी को फिर जो है फर्स्ट वो पे लेके आ गया था वो, और फिर इनेबलिंग एक्ट 33 में उसने जो है वो इम्पोज कर दिया था. Few lines are there exactly. I am not remembering those lines.
Ma'am, here there are two lines written. The first is that in
Hmm.
1928, Nazi Party got only 2.6% votes
हाँ.
in the election
उसके
in the
बाद
German parliament.
हाँ.
But by 1932, it had become the largest party with 37% votes.
ठीक है, तो हम इसको ऐसा कह सकते हैं, नाजी पार्टी इमर्ज एज द मोस्ट पावरफुल पार्टी ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट इन द ईयर 1932, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So we'll not use this clause of second most powerful, but we'll say the most powerful party of the parliament, right? Okay. When did Hitler became the chancellor of Germany?
Ma'am, on
Ma'am,
30 Jan
1933.
हाँ, January
on 30 Jan
1933. Very good.
January
Ma'am,
January
हाँ.
1939.
हाँ, January 33 बेटा, January 1933. An enabling act was passed in the
30
month
January
of
1933.
हाँ, an enabling act
March.
was
March,
passed
3rd March.
हाँ 3rd
March.
March
February
1933.
28 March.
March 3rd 1933. Very good. When did the second World War began?
I'm in 1939.
Very good.
Ma'am,
1939.
Ma'am,
September
1939.
1939.
Very good. September 1939. Tripartite Pact was formed in which year?
1940.
Very good,
1940.
Jigyasa.
Ma'am,
1940.
1940.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
1940.
And in which
September
year? Very good. In which year Japan attacked the US base at Pearl Harbor?
Ma'am, 1941.
1941.
Ma'am,
Very,
1941.
very good. In which year Germany invaded USSR?
On 22 June
1941.
1941.
Very good.
1941.
1941.
Very good. 22nd June 1941. Very good. In which year US dropped atom bomb on Hiroshima?
7 December
Ma'am,
1941.
in May
No.
1945.
बेटा
Ma'am, May
अगस्त
19.
हिरोशिमा
May
में अगस्त में
1945.
Ma'am,
नहीं
6th
बेटा
August.
बेटा हाँ 6 अगस्त 1945 में हिरोशिमा में डाला था, और फिर 8 अगस्त को नागासाकी में डाला था. ठीक है.
Ma'am, but in book it was written that the war ended in May 1945 with
War
Hitler's
ended.
defeat in the
I am talking about when did US drop the atom bomb
No,
on
ma'am.
Hiroshima?
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, beta, Vivanshu, bolo.
Ma'am, the whole line is that the war ended in May 1945 with Hitler's defeat and the US dropping of the atom bomb on Hiroshima in Japan.
नहीं बेटा अगस्त ये
Ma'am,
तो
June 1945.
August 1945 6th August 1945 टू बी प्रिसाइज यूएस ने जो है हिरोशिमा में बॉम्ब ड्रॉप करा था. उसके बाद एक दिन बाद नागासाकी में 8th of August को जो है नागासाकी में जो है बॉम्ब ड्रॉप करा था. दो जगहों पे डाला गया था ना एक साथ, हिरोशिमा नागासाकी.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलो. देन Nuremberg laws of citizenship was passed in which year? बताओ.
Ma'am, is it 1938?
It is written over here 1935.
Yes, ma'am. 15 September 1935.
हाँ, 15 September 1935. Very good. Okay. What is meant by repression? What is meant by repression?
Ma'am, make up for a wrong done.
Very good. To make up for a wrong done. Very good. What exactly is meant by propaganda?
Ma'am, specific type of message which is aimed to influence the opinion of the people.
Yes, a specific type of messages. It can be through posters, it can be through films, it can be through speeches, and it aims at directly or related, it aims at directly influencing the public opinion, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, coming to who were considered as undesirable children? Who were considered
Jew-
as
Ma'am, Jews.
the Jews?
And
Those who, Gargi, come again, those who?
Ma'am, Jews and handicapped.
हाँ.
those who were mentally or physically handicapped.
हाँ जी. Those who were physically or mentally handicapped were known as the
Ma'am, gypsies.
gypsies also. Very good. Now, what was this synagogues?
Ma'am, the place where the Jews worship.
Yes, the place where the Jews worshipped. Okay, coming to Dhananjay's question. Nordic German Aryans. Nordic German Aryans were a branch of Aryans living in North European countries and having German or related origin. ठीक है? धनंजय?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन MCQs है, ठीक है. इसमें हम आपको ऑप्शंस नहीं बताएंगे, आप हमें डायरेक्टली आंसर्स बताओगे, ठीक है. हु फाउंडेड नाजी पार्टी?
Hitler.
Adolf Hitler.
Adolf Hitler.
Okay. In which? हाँ, very good. In which country the Weimar Republic was established?
Germany.
Ma'am,
Germany.
Germany.
हाँ, ठीक है. Bismarck was the chancellor of which country?
Austria.
बताओ.
Austria.
ऑस्ट्रिया. सोच के बताओ. बिस्मार्क. He was of Germany, बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
है ना. बिस्मार्क चांसलर था ना जर्मनी का, जिन्होंने
It's
हिटलर को इनवाइट करा था, है ना.
It's Bismarck or Bismarck?
बिस्मार्क, BISMARC।
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है। सितंबर 1940 में जो त्रिपाठी पैक्ट साइन हुआ था वो किन 3 कंट्रीज के बीच हुआ था?
मैम जर्मनी,
Ma'am,
Germany,
इटली
Italy,
एंड
and Japan.
Germany,
हम्म
Austria,
Germany,
Germany,
Italy,
Italy and
Germany,
Japan.
Japan,
Japan.
and
And
Germany, Italy and Japan. Very good. Germany, Italy and Japan. The Nazis had a deep-rooted hatred for the
Jews,
Jews,
Jews. Very good. The Jews used to live in
ghettos,
concentration
ghettos.
Ghettos.
Ghettos. Very good. The German children had to join junk folk at the age of
14.
14,
10 years.
Ma'am, 14.
I'm 10.
Ma'am
10
10.
years. 10 years. 10
10.
years. Very good. 10 years. The Youth League of the Nazis was founded in the year
1922.
1922.
very good 1922. Next is, in my state, the mother is the most important citizen. These words were said by whom?
Adolf
Adolf
Hitler.
Hitler,
Adolf
Hitler.
Hitler. Very good.
Ma'am,
Very
Adolf
good.
Hitler.
Very good. USA dropped atom bomb on Hiroshima on which date? USA dropped.
Ma'am,
6th
6th of
August.
August.
6th August.
6th August,
6th
19.
August.
6th
it
August
was,
19.
it was 6th August 1945. Very good. The state socialism was a policy enacted by state socialism was a policy enacted by बताओ Bismarck. The answer is
Okay, ma'am.
Bismarck. हाँ जी. Rosa Luxemburg was leader of the
Hitler.
Rosa Luxemburg was leader of the Communist Nationalist Socialist Democrats.
Democrat.
It was communist बेटा. जो सेपरेटिस्ट लीग वाला है उसमें देखो ऊपर पिक्चर में बना हुआ है ना. चलिए. Then next is the